Good morning, everyone. I am just going to make a little tiny tutorial. I don't want you guys to print anything for my class, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to use anything that is PDF and Adobe to answer directly on the computer, so you never have to have any paper copies. So you don't have to print, you could always just save it on it. So if you took, here's an example, I'm just going to use my own syllabus. If you take the syllabus that I sent to my students and asked them to e-sign and to have their parents sign it, obviously it's not a print and that kind of stuff, but here is like I would ask you to. There's a little thing here that says fill and sign, and it'll open it up. And so you can just put the A and the little B. It'll be like student Amy Morris, and then class period, the little A and B, let's say 6-1. And then my student's signature, there's a feature right here where you can say sign. I already had it saved as Amy Morris, so I'm going to sign Amy Morris right there. And then I have to do another sign because I'll get rid of that because I need my parents' signature. So add signature, and then let's say Donna. Dana is, oh, that's not how she spells it. Dana is my mom's name. So my mom would sign that for me right here. And then I would go down and do the same thing through email and all that kind of fun stuff. But they also have the feature, say your teacher gives you an assignment that you need to fill in. I have read the syllabus. Let's say we can use a check. We've done that if we need to check off work. Or I have not, and I put an X. Or you need to circle something because you're doing work for a teacher and you need to go back. Maybe you could circle a problem that you have to go back to and answer. Or you need to put a dot next to it. That's perfectly fine too. But there's lots of different things. Like if your teachers give you a question and you have to answer underneath it, then you can just use the A and the little B, put it next to it, say, yes, today is awesome, AWESOME. And then you can just scan it. Just move it around wherever and put it by the answer. Super easy, and you never have to print anything. Save those trees, answer it all on the computer, and you don't have to print anything. And then you just go to File, you go to Save, and then we'll save it as, I'm not going to save it because I don't need it saved with all that stuff on it. We'll save it, and then it's on your computer, and then you can save it, and then just drop it into Edmodo and deliver it to your teachers. Super easy. So there's no reason that you guys need to be printing, especially for my course, but because everything can be done on using a PDF and just submitting digitally. Have the best day ever. Happy Wednesday. Go outside. Take this digital learning outside. It is beautiful out. This is the opportunity to have an outdoor classroom all day. Have the best day. Miss ya. Bye.